If you want to recover deleted photos and videos on OPPO Find X9 Pro, then first of all we need to go to the Photos app. First I'm going to start with this Photos app, the blue one. In this case, what you can do is we can go to Albums over here, and then if you scroll down you should be able to find Recently Deleted. And in here we can find everything that we have removed in the last 30 days by using this app over here. And if you want to recover something, you can, for example, press and hold your finger to select the first item, select everything that you want to recover, and then we can use the restore button at the bottom of the screen. You can also, I believe, we can also tap on the photo in order to restore this single photo over here, or video, of course. But if you use the Google's Photos app, then in order to recover something, we need to go to Collections, open Trash, and then in here we can also find everything that we have removed, so we can tap on Select in the upper right corner, and we can do exactly the same thing, to select whatever we want to recover, and we have the Restore button over here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.